children, today let's start with chapter number 14, that is popular beliefs and religious debates. So Bhakti saints, the early medieval period in India witnessed beginning of two powerful religious movements, Bhakti movement and Sufism. This profound effect on society and the way religion would be practiced. So the word Bhakti means devotion. It refers to the close personal bond between God and devotee. It rejected the complex rituals, and you can say that the Sufi saints, to express their devotion through music of both tradition, taught the needs and lead a life of Sufism. And Sufi comes from word Sufi, which is a kind of what? It is a kind of coarse garment that is worn by saints. जो आपके दिए थे दोनों मूवमेंट्स है, ये किसको इन्फ्लुएंस करते हैं? लाइफ ऑफ द पीपल इन द बिग वे. So Bhakti movement represent a movement that popularized devotional surrender to a personally conceived supreme. Then we have Bhakti saints, Alvar and Narayans. So the Alvars and the Narayans strengthened the Bhakti movement in South India from 7th to 9th century. They preached complete devotion to the God, right? And their writings were in Tamil and Telugu. The Narayans, जो नायर्स थे वो किसको वर्शिप करते थे? शिवाजी को. और जो अलवर्स थे वो किसे वर्शिप करते थे? विष्णु को, राइट? उसको हम क्या कहते थे? भक्ति मूव. नाउ आदि शंकराचार्य. Shankaracharya was a great religious teacher and propounded the Advaita philosophy. And when he was born in 9th century in Kerala, and he preached struts on one word. So the God, it leads to alignment, which is called Janmark. He established 5 centers of learning called maths. Maths were at Badrinath, Dwarka, and your Srinangiri, Puri, Kachipuram, right? Then we have Ramanuja. He was born in 1717, and God and universe all belongs to one reality. He also placed what? Idea of devotion in God was more important. भाई knowledge से ज़्यादा आपके पास idea होना चाहिए किसका? Devotion in God का, right? Now Saint Ramanand was a devotee of Lord Ram and spread the message of Hindu-Muslim unity and taught universal brotherhood. And what he did, he complete surrender to God, and he was first person to preach in Hindi. ऐसा पहला पर्सन था जिसने हिंदी में प्रीच करा था. The saints of Maharashtra. देखो जो भक्ति मूवमेंट थी, ट्रेडिशन था महाराष्ट्र का. There was number of poets like Namdev, Tukaram and Janeshwar. Worship of Lord Vitala. This tradition center around the Vitala temple at Pandharkot. The saints of Maratha came from various background. ठीक है, कुछ चौकान मेला फैमिली से बिलोंग करते थे, वो अनटचेबल कास्ट थे, राइट? दे वर अनटचेबल. These saints were called Vartis and they rejected ritual. And what they composed? They composed devotional poems. जैसे आपकी अभंग्स हो गई मराठी की. They taught to serve fellow belongs to the need, and they insisted that bhakti lay is sharing another pay. Now Islam and the Sufi movement. देखो जो religion है इस्लाम का, it was founded in Arabic in 7th century. It means submission of God will. So teaching जो of Islam थी, इसमें आपका कुरान था, right, which is the holy book of Muslim. So it is also seen as the finest literature in the Arabic language. According to Muslim, it was revealed by Muhammad, Allah, during the angel gathering. Islam spread to India, right? Islam spread हुआ इंडिया में and had to settle west coast, and Rashtrakutas were allowed to traders to practice. Right, it was a reaction against growing extravagance and Islamic empire, which was growing richer and more further. Right, now we have Chishti Silsila. So the Chishti Silsila was very popular in India during 13th or 14th century. ठीक है, आपके जो ख्वाजा मोहद्दीन चिश्ती है, his dargah was at Ajmer, famous for central pilgrimage at medieval period. फिर निजामुद्दीन औलिया आ जाते हैं, जिनको हम हजरत निजामुद्दीन भी कहते हैं, फेमस सूफी सेंट थे. He stressed upon love as a means to realize of God. Then we have Amir Khusro, one of the Sufi poet. He was a disciple of Nizamuddin Aulia. New religious development in North India. Advent of Islam and Sufism. Mingling of the two faiths, Hinduism and Islam. Number of Bhakti and Sufi saints of this period combined the elements of both faiths and had both Hindu and Muslim folks. Women Bhakti saints. So we have Sant Jainabai, Maratha saint poet hai, born in low caste Sudra family. She was sent to work in a rich man's house and she prayed to Lord Vithala, God at Pandharpur temple, and looked for support for constant champions who helped her to do all domestic chores. फिर आपकी मीरा, दैट इज गंगा सती. शी वॉज फीमेल सेंट पोएट हु रोट इन गुजराती a famous 40 bhajans to Panabai, her daughter-in-law. Then we have Mirabai, was a wife of Crown Prince Mewat. She was disciplined of Ravidas. उसने जितने भी लग्जरी लाइफ थी वो सब डिवोट कर. राइट नाउ केस स्टडी दी भी आपको कबीर के बारे में. लिस्ट द मोस्ट इन्फ्लुएंस भक्ति सेंट इन नॉर्थ इंडिया. He was a son of Hindu widow who abandoned him afterward, and Muslim beaver were he learned two profession, that is adopted by his father. So he spent greater part of his life in Banaras, Kashi, जिसमें आपके सिक्के scriptures भी थे, आदि ग्रंथ in Panchwani, Bezak in large number. And all this indicates that preeminent position among the monasteries and Raidas or Ravidas, most probably ये किसको belong करते थे? Generation next to Kabir and was influenced by Kabir ideas. किससे influence थे? कबीर के ideas से. एंड कबीर किसने बिलीव करते थे? यूनिटी ऑफ गॉड. कबीर वॉज अगेंस्ट आइडल वर्शिप, परफॉर्मिंग रिचुअल, डिप्स एंड होली व्हाटएवर, गोइंग टू पिलग्रिमेज, सब चीज के अगेंस्ट थे. कबीर हैड फ्यू फॉलोइंग अमंग्स द कॉमन पीपल, हिंदू एंड मुस्लिम, आइडियाज थ्रू विच सेल्फ कंपोज्ड कपलेट्स कॉल्ड दोहास. राइट. देन गुरु नानक वॉज द फाउंडर ऑफ सिखिज्म. ही वॉज बोर्न इन 1469 in Nakana Sahib, now in Pakistan. He considered to be one of the greatest bhakti saint. So like Kabir, Nanak emphasized the worship of God. Right? So he criticized what? He criticized that caste system in the equality of the people. He said that people should be judged by their deeds, not by the words. So Guru Nanak preached that they should follow rightful path of conduct. So Guru Nanak was succeeded by 9 Guru, that is Guru Angad, Guru Amar Das, Guru Ramdas, Guru Arjun Dev, Guru Har Govind, Guru Har Rai, Guru Har Krishna, Guru Tegh Bahadur and Guru Gobind Singh. Now 5 symbols of Sikhism are Kesh for long hair, Kanga for poor, ठीक है, और Kara for iron bracelets, pair of shorts and Kirpan for the dagger. 6 go to Gurudwara and worship the Guru Granth Sahib, and they wash themselves in the holy river. Right, the practice of providing community meals called langar, जिसको हम जो common थे among the Sikhs. Gurudwara as an act of pity. Paisakhi and the birthday of Gurus are important in Sikh celebration. Right, now we have completed this chapter. Let's move to the exercise. First is take the correct option. Devotional songs are known as bhajans. Dash do not worship any images, that is Muslim. Dash was the first person to preach Hindi, that is Ramanand. Now, Shankaracharya said that surrender to God can lead to enlightenment, which is called Jnana Marg. इसको कहता है ज्ञान मार्ग कहते हैं. Now, fill in the blanks. Dash means mingling of the two faiths, Hinduism and Islam. That is your syncretism. Dash family belong to untouchable caste, that is Chokha Mela. Ram Anuj preached the idea that devotion of gods are important than what? Knowledge. Then Nayanmars worship, किसे worship करते थे Nayanmars? That is Shiva. और Alvars किसे करते थे? विष्णु को. Now write true for true and T for true and F for false. The word bhakti means devotion. It's true. Kabir believed that the way of God was true. It's true. The name of Sufi was first applied to Abi Hazim. It's true. Akbar was the second ruler who followed liberal policy for us. Now answer the following. What did Ramananda teach? Name two religious movements that started in medieval period. Right? Who was Peer? Name the religion that spread other Sufi movement widely, and who was the founder and what were its teaching. Discuss about the women Bhakti saint with the help of some example. And then you have to discuss about the way. कैसे उन्होंने devotion करी, prayer करा, that also you know. Now we have completed this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. We will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.